This is the kitty cat I picked up when I got it. It was all seized up. It's been sitting for about 10 years. Didn't have a carburetor on it. So when me and my dad got it to run, I took the motor apart, took a crowbar to the flywheel and gave her a yank, and the piston snapped loose. Doesn't even have a rough spot now. So me and my dad sat there, cleaned the spark plug. I put the motor back together, and we got to run on spray gas. I'm just showing you how nice it pulls over now. I have a cloth in the intake so nothing gets in there, but it pulls over.